Hello, I saw your question on discussion board. You want to solve this triangle. You're given the length of the three sides. I found the 49 right here, 49 degrees. One side has a length of 8, 17, and the third side 22. And you mentioned you want to use law of cosines. So here's law of cosines, and I'm solving. First of all, given the three sides, I'm going to solve for A. Lowercase a is always across from capital A. So it's 17, and then you got B and C here, 22 and 8, minus twice B and C times cosine of A. So I put in the numbers here, calculate this 289, I find this sum, it's 520, this product is minus 352. Subtract 520 from each side and then divide by negative 352. So I end up with 0.6563 equals cosine of A. I take the inverse, make sure my calculator's in degree mode if that's, if you want your answer in degrees. So you take the inverse cosine of 0.6563 with the calculator, I get 49 degrees when I round it to the nearest tenth. So that gives me this angle. Now next I just go in alphabetical order. I want to find B. You could use law of cosines again, but it'd be quicker to use law of sines. So I use law of sines. Since we know this angle A here and the side opposite, I put that here. Sine of 49 over 17. We're looking for B here, so it's sine of B over, it should have been a 22. Got a mistake here. That should be a 22 there. That should be a 22. And so that's going to make that off. Let me put that quickly into the calculator. So let's see, 22 times the sine of 49 divided by 17. Oops, I'll try it again. 22 times the sine of 49, close my parenthesis, divided by 17. I get 0.9767, and I want to take the inverse sine of that. So inverse sine, I get 77.6 degrees. So 77.6 degrees. So I come down here. That should have been 77.6 degrees. So we know that the sum of the three angles 180 would be the quickest way to find a third angle. So you add 49 to that and then subtract it from 180. I get, let's see, I get 53.4 degrees for C. Hope that helps.